Hello everyone, this is me and my doggy Toodles. Toodles and me are wanting to perform a little thing, and Toodles doesn't want to now. She does not like people seeing her on camera. So, let's start. It's called The Dog. The dog is here, the dog is there, the dog is here, they're everywhere. And then this is the Rosie dog. Say hi, Rosie. Toodles said hi silently, and then most of all, Scooby. Thanks for watching the show. I try my best to make it as short as I can because my dog Toodles and Izzy goes together.